Welcome back to Old Studio Car. Today, we are diving into one of the most iconic machines from the golden age of American pickups, the 1955 Chevrolet Task Force. This truck marks a major shift in Chevrolet's design language, engineering confidence, and road presence, and even after all these years, it continues to turn heads wherever it appears. In this detailed review, we will explore its exterior updates, interior feel, performance capability, maximum speed, fuel average, and its current price value in today's collector market. Starting with the exterior, the 1955 Chevrolet Task Force introduced a completely new look that separated it from the earlier advanced design series. The first thing you notice is the bold, modernized front end that gives the truck a powerful, forward-leaning stance. The wraparound windshield was one of the biggest updates of the era, becoming the first pickup to offer such a stylish design feature. This gave the driver a wider field of vision and added a sense of sophistication previously unseen in work trucks. The hood is sculpted with sharper lines that highlight its muscular character, while the chrome front grille stands out with its horizontal bars and classic Chevy emblem sitting proudly at the center. Another noticeable update is the integrated headlights, which blend more naturally into the fenders. The designers moved away from the boxy, upright appearance of earlier models and brought a smoother, more aerodynamic profile. The bed also features wider fenders and a more refined tailgate design with embossed Chevrolet lettering that instantly reminds you of the era's craftsmanship. Even the small details like the chrome bumpers, dual-tone paint options, and vintage steel wheels make the 1955 Task Force a timeless visual masterpiece. Moving to performance, the 1955 Task Force pickup came with Chevrolet's new small-block V8 engine option, the legendary 265 cubic inch V8. This engine brought a drastic improvement in power, smoothness, and responsiveness. With around 145 to 160 horsepower depending on configuration, this truck offered performance that was ahead of many competitors at the time. It also came with a reliable 235 cubic inch inline-six for drivers looking for durability over speed. Both engines paired with a 3-speed manual or optional hydromatic automatic transmission made the driving experience more refined than previous generations. On the road, the 1955 Task Force delivers a strong low-end torque that helps it pull loads with confidence. The suspension system also received improvements for better ride comfort, making it suitable for both work and daily driving. Even by modern standards, the truck feels planted and stable, although steering can feel heavy compared to newer pickups. The braking system is basic by today's expectations but does the job well when maintained properly. In terms of maximum speed, the 1955 Chevrolet Task Force V8 could reach around 95 to 100 miles per hour depending on condition and tuning. The inline-six version generally topped out around 85 miles per hour. Although these numbers may seem modest today, they were impressive for a mid-1950s truck designed primarily for utility and rural use. Fuel average is another important topic for classic truck lovers. The V8-equipped Task Force delivers around 12 to 14 miles per gallon, while the inline-six versions offer slightly better mileage at around 14 to 16 miles per gallon. Of course, fuel efficiency today depends heavily on restoration quality, engine tuning, driving habits, and tire conditions. Now coming to the price update. In today's collector market, the 1955 Chevrolet Task Force pickup holds strong value due to its iconic styling and historical importance. A fully restored show-quality model can cost anywhere from $45,000 to $75,000 depending on originality, condition, and custom modifications. A clean, well-maintained driver quality version usually ranges between $25,000 and $40,000. Project trucks needing full restoration can still be found between $8,000 and $15,000, making them appealing for enthusiasts who want to build their own dream classic. The 1955 Chevrolet Task Force is more than just an old pickup. It represents an era of design innovation and mechanical pride. Its exterior updates, solid performance, and collectible value make it one of the most admired trucks in automotive history. Thanks for watching Old Studio Car. If you love classic vehicle reviews, make sure to subscribe for more timeless machines.